So, here's 5 ideas for content this week. How's this for an idea? Why not talk about tall buildings? When you're away and there's lots of different things to see, so you can come up with all kinds of ideas. Just look around you and see what you're thinking about. Do you love different sports? Here I am in Toronto with the Blue Jays. This is baseball. Is baseball your thing? What about American football? What about croquet? There's loads of different sports that we get involved in or we love to follow. So what is your different sport that you can talk about this week? How about talking about iconic buildings? Here I am at the CN Tower, which was once the world's tallest building. Iconic buildings like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the Eiffel Tower, or maybe the Taj Mahal. What about parking? So we park in all kinds of different places, but what when you come back from your holiday? Where's your car? Are you worried about it? And the process that these businesses have, could you relate those to the processes you do in your business? So, talk about parking. And now that I'm safe back home, my final idea is National Recycling Week. Come on, get all that rubbish and put it into different boxes and make sure you recycle. But talk about what you're doing in your office, place of work, whether you get involved with other things, whether you do a beach clean. There's loads of things that we can talk about recycling. And you can start recycling your content as well. You don't have to just do it once and not do it again. So there you go. Those are my 5 ideas this week. Sorry it's a little bit jumbled up, but this week has been absolutely crazy. But you can find out more on my newsletter. You take care, and I will see you back next week without the jumble up. You take care. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed my video, please click on any of these things here, because that's going to help me. Thank you.